All right, guys, so last time we learned a little bit about decimal and binary. So I'm going to come over here and we're just going to do a quick little table of the first, 9 digits of decimal and binary. So binary of 1 is 0001. You don't need the zeros in front. I just put them there because each one of these numbers is going to have 4 digits in binary. So 0010 is 2 because you have 1 in the 2's column, 0 in the 1's column. 3 is 0011. 4 is 0100. 5 is 0101. 6 is 0110. 7 is 0111. 8 is 1000. So you kind of notice here that once you have this filled up, it goes to the next one. Similar if you were doing 99, the next one will be 100. You go to the next column. So it's really similar to that. So like 9 will be 1001. And then, 10 would be 1010, 11 would be 1011. So this is just to kind of help you guys out a little bit. These are the most common ones that you're going to see. So I'm actually going to drag this down to the bottom of this document where we're going to talk about adding in binary. So you add in binary the exact same way that you would add decimal, not on your calculator, but by hand. So say you wanted to add 2 to 4, that should give us 6. So we do 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 1, 0, 0. So again, those front zeros are just placeholders, but I like my numbers to match whenever I add up. It makes it a little bit easier on me. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0. So 2 plus 4 is 6, which is correct. Now, say you wanted to add 1 to 3. So you do like 0, 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 0, 1, 1. All right, 1 plus 3 should give us 4. So look at what 4 is. We need to get that from this. So 1 plus 1, this is exactly if you're like adding 9 plus 1, you do a 0 and you carry the 1. So just like that, we do 0, we carry the 1. 1 plus 1, again, is 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And then that, empty space holder 0 out there. So that is how you add in binary. It's not really hard. It's just kind of different than what you've done before. Now that we're okay with our adding in binary, what I want you guys to do is create a new page, and I'm going to name this Lesson 14 Part 2, which is octal and hexadecimal. So for octal, you have 8. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 as your numbers that you're allowed to use. For hexadecimal, which is made up of 16 digits, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but you don't go into double digits. So 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 B, E is 14, and F is 15. You don't use 16. So this table might actually help you keep that in track. So in hexadecimal, A is 10 and all that goodness. So 1 through 9 is the same, but beyond that is letters. So let's see how we would use that. Let's convert from hexadecimal to decimal. Now, I will tell you that hexadecimal usually, okay, spelled that wrong, but hexadecimal, people usually just call it hex, so you can call it that. But it's base 16, which means that it's set up the exact same way that you've been doing your binary. So say you have the number A3C. So, put that in the same box that we've been dealing with. Okay, this is the 16 to the 0 spot, which is 1. This is 16 to the first power, which is 16. And 16 squared is 256. So it says that there's A. So that is 10 times 256. This is 3 times 16. And this is C, so it's 12 times 1. So let's take 2,560 plus whatever 3 times 16 is. It's 48 plus 12. 48 plus 12 is 60. 60 plus 60 is 120. So this is 2,620 in decimal. So you'll see it written like base 10, or if you were given that as a problem, it would be A3C16. Now, what if we're given that exact same number, but we want to convert it to binary? Okay, so in hexadecimal, the highest number you can get is F, which is 15. 15 in binary is 1, 1, 1, 1, which means that each one of these numbers takes up 4 spaces. So A is 10, which is, if you look at that table that we just did back in our other page. So 10 will be 1, 0, 1, 0. So the first part of this is 1, 0, 1, 0. 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. And C, which is 12, is 1, 8, 1, 4, 0, 2s, 0, 1s. So that would be our number in binary. So whenever you are expected to go back and forth between hexadecimal and binary, this is really easy to do as long as you can remember how to convert those first numbers to binary. Now, if you want to convert between hexadecimal and decimal, you'll just have to sit tight for the next video. Go ahead and watch it.